what's going on, everybody? Gonna do a quick video with a brand new Shark VERTEX Pro Cordless. If you've seen this channel, you know I'm a huge fan of the original VERTEX Cordless. This is the Pro version. It has quite a few great things going for it. I will be doing a full review of this very soon. This is just a quick test, just to show you how amazing this thing really is. The DuoClean power fin technology really does a great job on carpet, and it even amazes me on hard surfaces the more I use it. Because with that soft roller brush up front, it's able to pick up Fruit Loop sized items with no problem whatsoever. I've always been a huge fan of Dysons. I've always loved them until I came out with this VERTEX. And the dual roller, once again, is just amazing, and it's gonna prove it in this test. So if you're interested in this robot, I will once again be doing lots of tests, a full review. I also have the brand new Shark VERTEX Pro lift-away system, and that's gonna be in a future video too. And then I'll do a head-to-head challenge, see if the other one's worth the extra money. And overall, what I think of each one, I think both of them are gonna be very good. If it's at all as good as the original VERTEX, which it will be, I'm sure. All right, here's just a really quick test on thick carpet and then a hard surface. Fruit Loops, once again, is actually a little bit tough for some vacuums to get up. Not necessarily on carpet, but on a hard surface. So we're just gonna do a quick trial run. Simply one slow push over it. I'm not gonna back it off or anything like that. We're just gonna do one simple push all the way around. And I would honestly be surprised if it misses any of it. So here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, smash that like button for me. Once again, lots of tests coming on this. Full review coming up. And if you want to see anything specific about this or the powered lift away, definitely let me know in the comments. All right, here we go. I'm going to set it to carpet, on the carpet, and then when we get to the hard floor, I'll switch it over to the hard floor, and this will be on its maximum suction. Sorry guys for the wavy video here. I wasn't expecting the camera to shake that much, but it does. But you can still see how well it picks up here. I believe on the hard surface it doesn't shake as much, so hopefully you guys enjoy. All right guys, there we have it. Simply one pass. I did not pull it back at all. It looks like it got almost absolutely everything, which is, to me, quite impressive. I think it only missed these two because the turn I made, it just was out of reach for it to even pick it up. So pretty much 100% pickup. That was a lot of Fruit Loops, and I will be honest, if that was a Dyson on this hard floor, it would not have done as good a job, no way. So if you're interested in either one of these Shark Pro VERTEX, definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see the videos when they come out. I will be doing lots and lots of tests with both of these. I'll be putting them up against Dysons. We're doing head-to-head challenges with each one, and I'll also do whatever videos you guys would want to see. Just let me know down in the comments and I'll try to make that happen for you. So just a quick video to show how impressive this thing is. It can pick up objects like Fruit Loops that easily. You know it's gonna do fine with every other small debris that you throw in front of it. So I'm just overly impressed with this. If you follow this channel at all, you know that I don't like Shark robot vacuums. I think they still have a long way to go with those, but their actual stick vacs and full-blown vacuums are fantastic. I actually like them better than a Dyson. I never thought I would say that, but I really do. As you can see, I picked up a lot of cereal within maybe a minute. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Full reviews coming on both of these. And you guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys in the next one.